Good morning, students. Now I'm going to start first chapter, Resources and Development of Standard 10. This is the second video of this chapter. Now we will start this chapter from this Resources Planning in India. Resources planning is a complex process which involves the first is identification and inventory of resources across the region of the country. Second is evolving a planning structure endowed with appropriate technology. So how we will conservation of resources planning. Resources are vital for any developmental activity, but regional consumption and overutilization of resources may lead to socio-economic and environmental problems. There is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. Next, land resources. Land resources, we live on land, we perform our economic activities on land, and we use it in different ways. There are a variety of relief features, namely mountains, plateaus, plains and islands. About 43% of the land area is plain, which provides facilities for agriculture and industry. Land use pattern in India. The use of land is determined both by physical factors such as topography, climate, soil types, as well as human factors such as population density, technological capability, and culture and traditional, etc. Some has not been done fully. Moreover, some areas of Jammu and Kashmir occupied by Pakistan and China have also not been surveyed. Next, soil as a resource. How soil is as a resource. So there are few types of soil in our India. So first is forest and mountains, alluvial soil, red and yellow soil, black soil, laterite soil, and arid soil. So there are given the classification of soils about the definition. First is alluvial soil, next black soil, laterite soil, red and yellow soil, arid soils, forest soils, soil erosion and soil conservation.